안녕하세요. Hi everyone. I'm your number one native Korean teacher, Hong. Okay, today we are gonna cover new Korean consonant called M. M. But before you watch this video, you have to be prepared for 10 basic vowels. If you don't know what it is, please check 2 videos above. And then if you are ready, let's get started. So let me ask you a question. So what does it look like? Doesn't it look like a mouth? Okay, so because of the similarity how it looks like, I will call it mouth sound. And also, the sound of mouth sound is very similar to M sound in English. Okay, it's a very easy sound. M, M, M. Okay. And now let's practice how to read it. Please repeat after me. Mouth sound and ah sound, ma, ma. Mouth sound, ya, mya, mya. Mouth sound, o, mo, mo. Mouth sound, yo, myo, myo. Mouth sound, u, mu, mu. Mouth sound, yo, myo, myo. Mouth sound, u, mu, mu. Mouth sound, you, mu, mu. With m, m. With mi, mi. 마며 뭐며 마며 뭐며 모묘 무뮤 모묘 무뮤 무미 무미 마며 뭐며 모묘 무뮤 무미 마며 뭐며 모묘 무뮤 무미. Now let me show you how to write it. It consists of 3 steps. The first step is to write top to bottom and then gun sound at once and then left to right. Gun sound, if you don't know what it is, please check a video above. Again, 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so today we learned how to read and write mouth sound. Sounds like m, m. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please click subscribe and follow along because my video is uploaded every single week. 그럼 다음에 또 만나요.